Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for stationery business. So here let's assume that I have a stationery store and to promote it I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be WhatsApp. So to send the WhatsApp message, here I am using Vati. You can use any other application as well like Interact or AI Sensi. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for stationery business. So here let's assume that I have a stationery store and to promote it I'm using Facebook lead ads. Now my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. Now to do this, I need to build an integration between these applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here to begin with the process, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly Connect. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I'm going to name it as send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads, and on my left hand side you can see these are the folders that I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for stationery business. So here moving to my trigger window, as I'm promoting my stationery store with the help of Facebook lead ads. So here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a new lead, this workflow is going to run automatically. So now moving to my action window, as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my Facebook leads, for that I'm going to use Vati. So here it is. So as I've selected Vati as my action application, moving to the action event, that will be to send template message. It will send an approved template WhatsApp message to the Facebook lead. So here I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that Facebook lead through Vati. So now to do this, firstly I have to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect. So the authorization is successful. So here you can see Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. Now moving to the page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I've created for my store and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here in Facebook, you can see this is my page by the name of Canvas Stationery. So now here from page, I'm going to select my page as Canvas Stationery. Here it is. And once I've selected my page, now moving to the lead gen form associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, I've created two lead ads form. So I want to use this form that is by the name of Stationery Leads form, and this is how the form looks like. So I want to use this lead ads form. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the lead gen form as Stationery Leads form. So after selecting my page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to simply click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response, which means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So to do this, here in this new tab, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers. And here I will go to the page. So here in Meta for developers, I will go to my apps. And under my apps, I will go to tools. And under developer tools, I will go to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here from this page drop down, I'm going to select my page as Canvas Stationery. So I'm searching for my page and here it is. So now after selecting the page, I will select the form from this drop down, that is by the name of Stationery Leads form. And now I'm going to click on preview form. So here is the form and I've added the details as of email, full name and the phone number. So here I'm going to click on next and now I'm going to click on submit. It says thanks, you're all set. I'm going to close this. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead that I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, I've received a response. Here is the email, here is the full name, here is the phone number, created date and time along with some other details. That means the lead that I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead is going to get captured here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So moving further, as I've got the lead details, now I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So to do that, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Vati and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I need to mention the API endpoint and the access token. So here is the instruction given, like from where you can find the API endpoint and the access token. I will take you to my Vati account and over here I will go to API docs. And in API docs, here is the access token and the API endpoint. I'm going to copy the API endpoint and here I'm going to paste the same. Now moving to access token. So again from Vati, I'm going to copy the access token and here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see Vati and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to these details. So here I'm going to use the method of mapping. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the number from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map the number from the response received and I've mapped it. So now moving to the template. So here in Vati, I'm going to take you to templates. So this here is the template that is named as stationery, which I want to use. So this is how the template looks like. Here is the body that goes as hello. Thank you for your response. Our team member is going to connect with you and will share exciting offers with you on the given contact details. Thank you. So this is an automated WhatsApp message which I want to send to the Facebook leads. The broadcast title is Canvas Stationery. Here is the name of the template. It is for marketing and the language is English. So here after hello, you can see this is a custom parameter. That means after hello, I want to mention the name of the Facebook lead. So this will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So now I will go back to Pabbly Connect and here I'm going to select my template as stationery. Once this is done, so as in this template, Canvas Stationery is the broadcast title. So here in this broadcast name, I'm going to mention the same name, that is Canvas Stationery. Now once this is done, moving to the custom params. So that means here I need to provide the parameters. So I'm going to follow the same format. So as after hello, I want to mention the name. So I've copied the same format and over here, this custom parameter is for name. So I'm going to remove this and mention name and the value will be the name of the lead. So here I'm going to map the name of the lead. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now as I've mapped all of the details, here I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. So over here you can see I've received a response and this here is a positive response. So now I will take you to the WhatsApp message. So here you can see an automated WhatsApp message has been sent to the lead. Here is the broadcast title. So here after hello you can see the lead name and this is the body and here is thank you. So that means an automated WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to the Facebook lead. So this automation and integration was a successful one. Now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then by using Vati, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.